Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll tell you how the price of silver has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of silver can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen that silver is currently trading at around $20.630. Okay, and if this level sustain, which is a higher probability that if this level sustain, we can see it can move further upside. But overall trend, what you can see, a swing has formed and from there we have seen it is on the downside. So if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of 19.9, and if that level also didn't sustain, then a probability of going further down will be there. Okay, or if this particular swing form at this particular level, then we can see it can move further upside and a probability of moving further high will be there if the price sustain above a level of $21. Okay, before we move forward and explain you the silver price can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in silver and other commodities, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that. To look at this particular chart, what you can see, a swing has formed at this particular level. It is continuously on the downside. Suppose if this level didn't sustain, which is on a higher side, that it will not sustain and can touch a level of $20.537. Okay, and if the price move below that particular level, then chances are very high that we can see it can move towards a level of $20.057. Okay, and if the price move below that particular level, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of $19.95. Okay, and if the price move below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $19.965. Okay, and from there we can see it can go further low towards a level of around $19.297. Okay, and if the price move below that particular level, then chances are high that we can see it can go towards a level of 18.9 to a level of around $18.615. Okay, and if that level also didn't sustain, then chances will be very high that we can see it can go further low. As we can see, all these resistance, all these supports are being tested here, so chances will be very high. We can see it can touch a level of 17.5. Keep this in mind, this 17.5, from there we can see a bounce back can come. Okay, this is the support where it is not being a weak support and a very strong support, so from there we can see a bounce back can come. But otherwise, if you look at all these supports, this is the range where these supports are already being tested, so chances of moving further down is on a higher side. But as you can see, suppose if a swing form at this particular level, as you can see a support coming at around 20.5, so from there we can see a bounce back. Suppose if it touches this particular level and it goes upside, then we can see it can move further higher and can touch a level of around $20.878. This $20.878 is again a weak resistance, so chances are very high we can see it can go towards a level of $21.194. Okay, and if that level goes further upside, then we can see it can go further high towards a level of $21.803. Okay, and if the price move up that level, then we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of around $22.267, and from there we can see it can move further upside. Okay, now understand something, that this is once this range break upside, and a probability will be high that it can go towards above 22 level. Okay, and if you are trading, you have to be very careful, because most people lose money in trading. See, what I teach in my workshop, I'll tell you some of the things here. Suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Take a risk of 0.5 to 1%. Okay, that is $50 to $100. If you suppose you took 5 trades also, your maximum risk will be $500. Okay, that will not affect your psychology. If you lose $500 in a day, then you can trade the next day, because your full capital is 10,000, so it will not affect your psychology. What people do, they trade continuously and lose their full capital. So this is what I teach in my workshop, how to overcome all these barriers. So if you want to attend the workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.